In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find leads in Apollo.io. To get started, head over to Apollo.io and sign into your account. If you're new to the platform, you can create a free account first and then continue from there. Once you're inside the dashboard, the main area we'll be using is the People section. This is where Apollo lets you search for individual prospects and build a targeted lead list. Before you start typing in random titles or companies, take a moment to define your ideal customer profile, often called your ICP. This is important because the better you understand who you want to reach, the better your search results will be. Think about the industry you want to target, the size of the company, the job titles you care about, the location, and even the revenue range if that matters for your offer. Once that's clear, begin entering your search criteria. You can use titles like CEO, founder, marketing manager, or sales director, depending on the type of decision maker or contact you want to find. If you need to be more specific, you can also include company names or industries to narrow the search from the start. After that, use Apollo's advanced filters to refine your results even more. This is one of the most useful parts of the platform. You can filter by job title, seniority level, department, industry, company size, location, and even technologies used. The goal here is to remove low-fit prospects and focus only on the people most likely to be relevant. As your results appear, review the list carefully. Don't just rely on the filters alone. Open profiles and make sure the contacts actually match your target audience. Inside each profile, you may be able to view details such as business email addresses, phone numbers, company information, and LinkedIn profiles. This helps you validate the lead before you decide to save it. If your Apollo plan includes buying intent filters, use them to identify prospects that may already be showing interest in products or services like yours. These leads are often worth prioritizing because they can be more responsive during outreach. When you find good prospects, save them to a list. You can create a new list and organize leads by niche, campaign, or target market. This makes everything easier to manage later. From there, you can export selected contacts to a CSV file or sync them with your CRM if your plan supports that. You can also install the Apollo Chrome extension, which helps you find leads directly from LinkedIn profiles and company websites. Finally, start your outreach using Apollo's built-in tools or your preferred email platform, and make sure your messages are personalized for better response rates.